When I was single, I don't think of this, so I don't think of this at all. I want to show you one thing I used to do before. If you are the type that used to go and throw your head of fish, you don't like putting your head of fish in your soup, or after you wash it, you throw it away. Come. Let me show you something. In this UK I am now, it don't teach me something, not to waste. Because back then at home, my mom used to quarrel me. Once I wash fish like this, I throw this head away. What am I using it for? No fish there, nothing. See, how will I be wasting my time? How will I be wasting my energy washing this head of fish and then put it inside the soup? And after I put it inside the soup and cook, when I am eating, I still throw it away. What is the need? What is the need? So anytime I cook food back in Lagos, I put the head of fish inside. The one I'm dishing, I just pack the head of fish with my mother with other things, because me, I will not eat it. But here, I don't learn something. I have learned that you don't waste. You don't waste, because you know how much this fish is? You know how much is just one tiny, this one's even big. You can see that the head is big. Just one tiny fish. Just one, no, you'll be calling it 10 pounds. Here. I say no, this fish will not waste. So what I do is, anytime I want to make soup, because I don't put the head of fish in my soup. So what I do, after I wash the fish and wash the head, I dry this. I even dry the head of fish. You can see, very dry, very dry. So after I dry it, I pieces it. This is what I have pieces. I'm going to blend it. I am going to blend it. This is the first one I have done. So because I want to cook egusi soup, I want to cook egusi soup, so I blended the head of fish. You can see, so to look like it's crayfish, is to give the food, the soup, some flavor, some taste, some fish taste. So this is what I do now. No more throwing of head of fish in this house. You can see I don't throw my head of fish again. So I have pieces to this. You can see I have pieces to it. So I'm going to blend it. So if you're like me before, please don't throw your head of fish away. Preserve it, oven dry it, and then blend it to be like crayfish, to give your soup some flavor. Let me blend this finish and show you how I did it. Let's blend this. Let's blend. So I'm going to blend this right now. Oh, okay, I've changed. Okay, it's on. So I'm going to blend this now, and I'll show you how it's blended. For much. The noise is too much. So I have finished blending. Let me show you how it looks. Why is on brown? You can see. Smooth. Very smooth. I'll not bite my tongue. So now I'm going to pour it inside here. So I'll pour this in my soup when I'm cooking. Some remnants are still here. So this is what I do. Let me show you what I do. So this is the head of fish, right? So I'm going to pieces it in smaller bits. I'll pieces it in smaller bits so that it can be able to blend very well. Let me pieces it outside here first. You can pieces it in a container so that it doesn't scatter everywhere. You can see, I pour it inside. So No need of waiting your head of fish. If you don't like head of fish like me inside your soup, this is an alternative. After you've washed your fish, you take away the head, you oven dry it. After you oven dried it, then you can pieces it and blend. I make use of Ninja blender, the coffee and spice grinder is what I use to blend. To give you a smooth, you can see, very smooth. A smooth feeling. So I pieces it very in tiny bits so that they can grind smoothly. So this is what I do now. When I was single, I don't think of this, so I don't think of this at all. Now marriage have given me sense. The older you grow, the more sense you have. The more sense you have, because my younger self will not think of this. Sharp, I will throw away the head of fish. What am I using to do? But now sense don't come. So I'm going to blend it. Blend everything, nothing shall waste. All things have passed away. Behold, new thing have come. A new creature. We no longer waste head of fish. We blend everything. You eat everything. So this is it now. I'm going to cover it and blend. I'll blend it right away. Right away. No still. Okay. Good. Nice, fixed. So it's gonna be on max blend. Yes, max blend. That's gonna be just like few seconds. I'm going to blend it. That's enough. Yeah. So switch off the blender and then we remove. You can see how smooth. See, very smooth. Very smooth. So this is like 4 head of fish I used to achieve this. So since my ingredients are not yet ready, I'll make the soup tomorrow. If you want me to go live making this, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. I want to make a egusi soup. Which type of egusi soup will I even make safe? Is it the Yoruba style, the Igbo style, the Efik style, the Bibio style? Let me know. Give me egusi soup cooking ideas. I need them. I've been used to one type of egusi cooking idea. I don't know why. I want to try new things, new things. So this is what we have. Let me go and cover it and keep and prepare the ingredients for my egusi soup. See you in my next video. Bye. If you want me to make egusi soup, if you want me to go live making egusi soup, let me know in the comment section and I'll be live making the egusi soup. Catch ya.